Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this clay miniature food dish from homemade clay. I first roll out some clay and cut off a circle. To make the rounded edges of the plate, I take a coin and press the clay in the center over a sponge. To make the rotis, I take two small clay circles and flatten the edges with my fingers. I then place them on top of a sponge and use a dotting tool to make texture on the rotis. I use a smaller dotting tool as well. Once this is done, I use a mustard shade chalk pastel and cover the entire roti. I then use some water mixed with chalk pastel and add more detailing to the rotis like so. To make the potatoes for the gravy, I take a long clay roll and flatten the sides. For the coriander leaves, I take a cellophane wrap and small clay pieces and push out the sides with a dotting tool. I then use watercolor paint to color the leaves. For the chilies, I roll out small green clay pieces with one end thicker than the other. I then use a pointy tool to make the ridges on the chili. I then paint the plate and bowl with a silverish white acrylic paint. I then stick on the rotis. I cut out the potato pieces and stick the rasgulle into the bowl. I then make the gravy with tiny bits of dried clay and normal clay and some paint and glue. I then put in the potato pieces and lightly color the potatoes. Once the gravy is dry, I glaze it to look moist. Before this is dry, I also take the coriander leaves and stick it onto the gravy and the rotis. For the rasgulla syrup, I use some UV resin and cure it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.